Music production is often likened to building a house. There's a blueprint, the construction phase, and finally the finishing touches. Similarly, music production can be broken down into three main stages: pre-production, production, and post-production. Pre-production is all about planning. It's where you decide the direction of your track, choose your instruments, and maybe even jot down some lyrics or melodies. Think of it as sketching out a rough draft or blueprint for your song. If you are a band, this might take place in a rehearsal room as you jam through ideas. If you are a solo musician or involved in more electronic music, this may all happen in your bedroom or maybe the garage. Next comes the production phase. This is where the actual recording happens. Whether you're laying down vocals, recording live instruments, or programming MIDI sequences, this stage is all about capturing your musical ideas in their rawest form. Finally, we have post-production. This is where your track truly comes to life. Through mixing, you'll balance levels, pan instruments, and add effects. Once the mix is perfect, mastering ensures your track sounds great on all devices, from massive club speakers to tiny earbuds. A music producer wears many hats. They guide the musical direction, make creative decisions, and ensure the final track aligns with the initial vision. Whether you're working solo in your bedroom studio or collaborating with artists in a professional setting, the producer's role is pivotal in shaping the sound and feel of the track. There is often a variation in the way the term is used between different genres. With urban and hip-hop style music, the producer is often a title the person building the track gives themselves. But then within other areas, a producer might be someone who just oversees the whole project, leaving the playing to the band and the recording and tracking to the engineer. They may also take on any of the other roles if they desire as well. So the truth is, it is best not to get too hung up on names and terminology. Well, until you get signed to a deal, and then you might want to know exactly what roles people are playing, because in the end it's your money they are burning through. But that's another section.